kids, ready to test your brain with some super fun general knowledge questions? We've got 30 awesome questions, starting from easy and getting harder. Each one comes with a fun fact. So grab a pencil, keep score, and let's see how many you get right. Let's begin. What is the name of our planet? A. Mars. B. Earth. C. Venus. It's Earth. Earth is the only planet known to have life. What do bees make? A. Milk. B. Chocolate. C. Honey. It's honey! It takes about 12 bees their whole life to make just 1 teaspoon of honey. Which animal is the king of the jungle? A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Tiger. It's lion! Lions live in groups called prides and are known for their mighty roar. How many days are there in a week? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. Correct answer is 7. The 7-day week is used all around the world. In which direction does the sun rise? A. North. B. West. C. East. It's east. Every morning the sun rises in the east, which helps us know which way is east. How many months are there in a year? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. The answer is 12. The calendar we use divides the year into 12 months. What is 5 multiplied by 5? A. 10. B. 20. C. 25. The answer is 25. Multiplication is a quick way to add the same number several times. Which body part helps you taste food? A. Nose. B. Tongue. C. Ear. It's tongue! Your tongue has lots of tiny taste buds that help you enjoy different flavors. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? A. Mars. B. Moon. C. Sun. It's moon! The moon lights up our night sky and affects the ocean tides. What gas do plants absorb from the air to make food? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. It's carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen to make food. Great job! Now let's turn it up a notch. Here come some trickier questions. Which is the largest ocean on the planet? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. It's Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is so vast that it covers more than 1/3 of the Earth's surface. What is the study of living things called? A. Chemistry. B. Physics. C. Biology. It's biology. Biology teaches us about all kinds of living creatures, from plants to animals. What is at the center of our solar system? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Sun. It's sun. The sun provides light and warmth that makes life possible on Earth. What is the process called in which plants make food using sunlight? A. Digestion. B. Photosynthesis. C. Respiration. It's photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants turn sunlight into energy and release oxygen for us to breathe. Which tree is famous for its bright autumn leaves? A. Oak. B. Maple. C. Pine. It's maple! In autumn, maple leaves turn brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow. Which animal is known for having quills on its body? A. Squirrel. B. Porcupine. C. Rabbit. It's porcupine! Porcupines use their sharp quills to protect themselves from predators. What is the primary gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the air we breathe. Which day of the week is named after the Norse god of thunder? A. Tuesday. B. Thursday. C. Saturday. Correct answer is Thursday. The name Thursday comes from Thor's Day, in honor of the Norse god Thor. What color do you get when you mix red and white? A. Pink. B. Purple. C. Orange. It's pink. Pink is often associated with sweetness and is a popular color for many things kids love. Which organ pumps blood throughout your body? A. Brain. B. Lungs. C. Heart. It's heart. Your heart is a hard-working muscle that beats about 100,000 times a day. You're doing amazing. Now it's time for the final challenge, the Brain Busters. Boom! Ready? Let's go! Which is the largest continent by area? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. It's Asia. Asia is not only huge in size, but also home to a rich tapestry of cultures and languages. Which continent has the most countries? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. South America. It's Africa. Africa is home to 54 countries, offering a rich diversity of cultures and wildlife. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold. B. Diamond. C. Iron. It's diamond. Diamonds are not only beautiful, but also very strong, great for jewelry and tools. What is it called when water turns into vapor? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Precipitation. It's evaporation. When water evaporates, it changes from a liquid to a gas because of heat. Which season comes right after winter? A. Summer. B. Autumn. C. Spring. It's spring. Spring brings warmer weather and blooming flowers after the cold winter months. What is the study of dinosaurs called? A. Paleontology. B. Astronomy. C. Anthropology. It's paleontology. Paleontologists study fossils to learn about creatures that roamed Earth long ago. What is the science of studying the Earth called? A. Astronomy. B. Geology. C. Biology. It's geology. Geology helps us learn about rocks, minerals, and the history of our planet. Which musical instrument is known for its deep, booming sound? A. Tuba. B. Flute. C. Violin. Correct answer is tuba. The tuba is the largest brass instrument and adds a deep tone to musical bands. Who is credited with inventing the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Isaac Newton. C. Alexander Graham Bell. It's Alexander Graham Bell. Bell's invention changed how people communicate over long distances. What do you call a person who studies weather? A. Meteorologist. B. Biologist. C. Geologist. It's meteorologist. Meteorologists help us know if we need an umbrella by predicting weather changes. Wow! You just finished 100 questions. How many did you get right?